Okay guys, we are going to convert 0.4 repeating to a fraction today. So when you have a decimal that has a line on top, that signifies that this 4 literally goes on forever. Obviously we can't write that many, so we put the line over to show that. So we can't use our typical way of converting decimals to fractions when our decimal repeats. We have to use a different strategy. So the first thing we're going to do is just set this decimal equal to a variable. So I'm just going to say x equals 0.44 repeating. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 10 on both sides of this equation I made here. As long as I do it on both sides, I'm good, right? 10 times x gives me 10x. Is equal to, when I multiply this decimal by 10, it moves my decimal over one place. So I will have 4.4, we can write another one, for repeating. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is going to look sketchy at first, but it's totally allowed. I am going to subtract x from each side, but we need to remember what x is equal to. So I am going to take away x here on this side of my equal sign. On this side, I'm going to take away 0.44 repeating. Why can I do that? Because those look different. Well, if you remember up here, x is equal to 0.44 repeating. So even though they look different, they're equal to each other. So I'm really subtracting the same thing from both sides. It just looks a little different. 10 minus x gives me 9x. And 4.44 repeating, take away 0.44 repeating, my repeating part goes away and I'm just left with 4. And this is looking significantly less complicated now. I just need to get x alone. I'm going to divide by 9 on both sides. And I'll have x equals 4/9. That is 0.4 repeating converted into a fraction. If you're like, I don't believe you, let's go ahead and pull out our calculator and do 4 divided by 9. Now, obviously, my calculator can't go on forever, but that 4 does continue to repeat. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If you need some more repeating decimal videos, I've got ones where more than one number repeats and when we've got numbers out front and all sorts of fun things. I'll link a playlist for you in the corner. Thanks.